Hey guys!
Hello.
I'm here with Chloe again. She traded me 2 little pet traps for slime and a pet trap and this pet trap.
Slim.
That's
just a container.
And yeah.
You're doing an ASMR today.
Yeah, ASMR.
We're going to do a challenge to see who does the ASMR better.
Yeah. Alright, let's get the box.
Let's get started. I will go first. I love Cameron's slime she just gave it to me because I gave her 2 kittens and she doesn't have kittens. Okay, so let's show you the slime. I'm not going to be the one who takes 20 minutes to do it because I hate those kind of people.
Yeah, so I can also hear. Alright, I'll tilt the camera up so you can do your ASMR.
Very clicky.
Oh my god, that noise.
Stretch.
Alright, the ASMR is over.
No, not yet.
He's trying to poke it, can't you?
Yeah, that's true.
Alright, it's my turn.
No, wait.
It's my turn.
Okay, I'll hold the camera.
Alright, it's Kat's turn.
It's
What's turn?
You have to look at this.
Oh my
god! What's the mail? Yeah.
It's Quartz turn. Here's a room tour.
Can you stop? Or I don't show my face. Come on.
I'm showing your ponytail.
Stop.
Okay.
I didn't do a face reveal yet.
Well, you did a vlog.
Yeah, my face was showed for like 2 seconds.
Yeah.
Come
Here's
on.
Cameron's LPS.
Come on.
Okay. Oh, come on. You're like blocking it. Like, oh, jeez.
Oh my. Okay.
Film me on the
Oh my god.
Oh my god. You have to let.
I'm gonna stand.
Hey.
Oh god. Take it out of the container already.
Stop. Film. I'm not good at this. I'm not an ASMR person. Look at that ugly swirl.
Instagram.
I don't do Instagram. I get too much. Hey, I do this for you.
I'm not good at filming. In my fingers.
Really funny.
Ah, my fingers.
Stop.
Oh my god, I'm trying not to.
LPS do ASMR time. Do you see me? Yes, you see me.
Good poke. Good poke. Wait. Hey, let me get in there.
Alright, you're done. It's my turn. Stop.
That's good. Oh, and you got this from a mesh ball. So we might be able to go to Target and
Stop.
get
Why is
two.
it?
and get 2 mesh balls for $3.
It's like snot.
Ew!
Like vanilla.
It looks like snot on camera.
Ew, there's slime in between your fingers. That looks disgusting.
It looks like snot on camera, but in real life it looks like Nickelodeon slime.
Dun, 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 dun.
I really hope we get to get a mesh ball after this. Because after she got the slime from, she popped it with scissors.
No, with my hands. I accidentally. You're not even filming them.
Oh, God.
Hey, I didn't do this for you.
Get off on it.
Oh, it's there. Sure, slime's there.
Okay, done.
No, you're kidding.
Slime is slime.
Hey, why is Clyde playing there by himself? Why is this thing there? Huh?
Alright, guys, that was our video.
Now, I want you to comment down below.
Who won?
It's me.
I'm Cat. Like,
It's me!
I'm the one who kicked her out.
Stop!